As travel's opening back up, a topic that many people always have questions about is tipping. Now, although it's quite common, there's always some confusion on who to tip, how much to tip, and now an even bigger issue is how to tip when you don't have cash on you. First of all, if you ever wonder if it's okay to tip, or better yet, how much you should tip, just ask. It's not rude, and in fact, it just gives you a better idea of what's customary. Instead of being fixated on a number, think of tipping as a way to show appreciation or gratitude for a service. There really isn't a set dollar amount to fit all situations. So my rule of thumb, tip based on the amount of effort that was made. Now, you want to keep in mind destination and type of hotel or establishment that you're at, because that'll also play a role in how much you tip. Another thing to consider is how you tip. More and more as a society, we're carrying less cash on us. So instead of foregoing tipping altogether, please don't be that guy. Look for cashless tipping options like eTip, for example, when you travel or are visiting a service or business. Okay, so I know I said not to be fixated on a number when it comes to tipping, but I also know you want numbers, so I won't leave you hanging and I'll give you a little bit of guidance. So let's break down how to tip at a hotel. Doorman and valet parking are about $2 to $5 per service. Bellmen or porters can be tipped $2 to $3 per bag, or $5 to $10 if they show you around your room. With room service, most hotels automatically include gratuity on the bill, so keep that in mind, but you can tip extra should you like. Don't forget, you can and should tip the staff at the front desk, especially if they help set up something special for you. For housekeeping, $2 to $5 per night is nice, but tip a little bit more if you leave the room particularly messy. For a concierge, you can tip $5 to $10 for a normal request, but if they go above and beyond, $10 to $20 or even more. Pretty easy, but if your service has a cost associated with it, be it a haircut or dining out at a restaurant and the like, tip 15 to 20% the cost of the service. Well, there you have it. Those are my opinions and advice on how to tip based off of my many years of experience of working in the industry. Now, tipping is, after all, part of the hospitality culture within the United States. And it's certainly an interesting topic because everybody has an opinion on it. So I would love to hear your thoughts as well. So be sure to share your tips on tipping in the comment section below. In the meantime, if you want to find out more about eTip, head to etip.io for more.